In this video, I'll show you how to activate the exclusive promo code NKN10 and unlock your premium benefits. First, visit the website and begin the registration process. During sign-up, select the promo code option, enter NKN10, and complete your registration to activate your offer. Already have an account? If your account was created within the last 24 hours, open your profile and go to Settings. Then select Offers. In the Welcome Offer section, enter the code NKN10 and click Submit to activate your benefits.